Applying for a nutraceutical merchant account, many supplement business owners get stuck waiting weeks because they don't know what underwriters are looking for. Don't let that slow down your sales. Here's a quick way to get prepared. I have pre-filled a sheet with all the key details underwriters want: business name, website, monthly volume, product list, and refund policy link. You can use it as a checklist to make sure everything's ready before you apply. Having these details organized is a simple step that can save you a lot of time. But even if you are ready, applying without the right support can still lead to delays or future account holds. This is where Easy Pay Direct comes in. Their team pre-underwrites your business so you're matched with a back-end bank that actually supports nutraceutical and supplement businesses. That means faster approvals and less risk of surprises down the road. Plus, here's a quick tip from their FAQ. A nutraceutical merchant account is designed specifically for businesses selling supplements, vitamins, and other health products. Knowing this helps you understand why certain documentation and business details are required upfront. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out and get your account pre-underwritten efficiently. Getting approved doesn't have to be stressful. With a prepared checklist and EasyPay Direct support, you can start processing payments smoothly and focus on growing your supplement business. Check the link in the description to get started today.